Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Riera Fuentes. I am Diagnostic Radiology Imaging Study. It is my work. My work is my daily routine. Okay, let's go. Morning routine. 1. I get up. 2. I shower. 3. I clean my teeth. 4. I prepare my breakfast. 5. I get ready. After I go to work. Okay, let's go. Afternoon routine. 1. I leave work. 2. I am going to restaurant and lunch. 3. Back to work. 4. I am secretary. Okay, go. At night. 1. Leave work. 2. Arrive home. 3. I make dinner. 4. I do jobs of the university. 5. I clean my teeth. 6. I shower. 7. Sleep. Okay? It is my work. It is my routine daily. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.